Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Today we're going to be taking a quick listen to this awesome record I found. I assume it's awesome. It says Batman with Robin, the Boy Wonder, a golden storyteller record. So let's go ahead and pull in the Victrola suitcase player. Perfect kind of record player for this kind of a record. This is true record archaeology, you guys. We don't know what we're going to hear. We'll be just as surprised as you are once the needle drops. Let's give it a listen. Ooh, it's scratchy. It's a well-loved record. Oh, that thing is harsh. Let's scoot forward a little bit.
To the Graysons, racketeers, I'm sure of it, because I refused to pay them protection money. They must have decided to kill my star act.
After hard police work, Batman finally got the evidence needed to arrest the killers in their hideout.
This is awesome. Story record.
Batman! Don't move. I'm taking you all in for the murder of the Graysons. Afterwards, Batman tried to ease the grief of the boy, Dick Grayson.
This is cool, you guys. It's like a storybook on a record. I love this. I even love the crackles.
And uses jokes and trick novelties. I see you're getting together a lot of trick stuff, Joker. But what's that cork for? Is that going to be in your belt, an ordinary bottle cork? That cork is the most important unit in my belt. It will prove the undoing of Batman and Robin.
That's awesome, you guys. You never know what you're going to find. This is just super cool. Super scratched. I'm sure it was a child's record. They didn't take care of it, but they loved it. Let's listen to the very end here, you guys, the second side. That is such a harsh sound, you guys, but super interesting. Let's listen to a little bit more.
Finished, Joker. We put your cork in the champagne bottle, resealed it with wax. Now what? Now we put the bottle back where we found it. Tomorrow, when Batman flings it against the prow.
So I'm thinking these aren't the original actors' voices from the 1960s television series, but it was very important for the actors that they chose to use very distinctive sounds, just like old-time radio, so you could identify the voice with the character. Super awesome, you guys. It's rough, it's tough, it's scratched, it's not worth anything, but it's super neat. Fun record archaeology. Do you guys have any Batman and Robin records or anything cool that you found recently? Let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, happy record hunting. We'll see you next time.